agario part 2. So let's see how I forgot to tell you guys something. Today's 31st October and I wanted to go tell all of your friends or yourself, your parents, everyone you know, friends, happy Halloween to everyone. Anyone wants to guess what's my costume for what's my costume? If anyone guesses right, I will do any video he wants or he or she wants, because I'm going to giving a prize. That's the prize. So you guys could tell me what do you do. Give me like any game, any video you want to. Oh my god. Any video you want me to do like that. Just three, at least 3 videos. Not more. You could do it less. Yeah, that's it. So let's go again. Oh my god, I just eat it once. Oh my god, there's so much big people. Let me go. I'm gonna trick shot. I can't. He's joining. Let me go. Let me go. Ugh. These people. You are so big. Just let me go. No. You just had the highest mass was 130. I just hate my life. Okay, our goal is to go win. Our goal is to go to the first. Beat on himself. The first challenger. Oh my god. Is that phone chasing me? How did he do that? Oh guys, sorry, but you can see my face. If you guys want to see my face, I don't actually know how, but you guys could tell me in the comments below. My Twitter is in the description. You could check it out. Let's go. Billy too. I want to eat you. Come here, please. Oh, please don't go. Please don't go. Go to the bottom. No. I just ate him. I don't know how, but I ate him. Oh my god. Please don't. Please don't. Yes. So many people want to eat me. That's bullying. If he splits. Why? I hate my life. What is this? Oh my gosh. That thing is, you're so slow. You grew up so slow as hell. Gosh. Why are the teams 1 trillion? They have 1 trillion mass, and they just want to eat me that I have 1 mass. the bottom. You know what? How is it giveaway? What? If you see like that, this game's so stupid. Yeah, bitch. Let's go. You could guys send me questions in my Twitter, and then I could answer them for Q&As. Oh my god, don't tell me it's gonna split. Don't tell me. Yes. Oh my god, here's that. Why are you chasing me? What the fudge? I'm just so angry. Why? If you eat me, I'm gonna kill myself. Oh. Yes. Yes. Get this. Eat this green thing. Eat this. Eat this. Mad bro? I need a pro. I need a pro. I need it. Guys, you could follow me on Twitter and subscribe and let me. Don't play this. If you like this and you want me to play more of this, leave a thumbs up. Please don't. Oh, please don't leave a thumbs up because I don't want to play this stupid game. What? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. United Kingdom. This guy didn't even move. Was he like sleeping? I think so. I think so. I'm soccer. I don't know why in Canada or like in the United States they call it soccer. Yeah, that's it. Soccer. Why did he do that for? Fudge! What is this? No! I was so big. No! This music. Just go inside me. I know you don't want to because you're pretty big. I have to give. Oh my god. This guy's actually, his name is Phone. Look, his phones. Trick shot. Trick fudge. Told him dildo. They suck. They're just so lucky that they just get. Oh my god, Brazil. I hate you, Brazil. You were my favorite country, but now, yes, the blue guy. Eat him. I have to try to don't get eaten. Oh my god, if I press the aim button. Oh shoot. Vicstar! Vicstar! Vicstar, if you guys don't know who's Vicstar123, it's a guy and he plays agario, he plays anything. He's with the Sideman. His friends are KSI, Oli GWT, Simon Winneminter. Oh. If you get on the top, I'm gonna kill myself. No! Trick shots. Okay guys, this is my last round. This is my last.
My brother is just stupid.
What the hell? Just... Oh, just hate this game. Hate this game. Why does he have to eat him? Not me. I just hate my fudging life. Eat the unnamed soul. Eat him. Eat him. No. What the hell? If he would have eaten me, I would kill myself. Argentina, we're friends. Messi, let's go. Peace. What the hell is that? This, baby, yeah. Oh shoot! What the hell was that? I don't know why, but I want to eat this pink guy or girl. If you guys are Doge wants to eat them too. Okay, one more round and no more. No more. Jumbo. What the hell? I want to eat him. Eating is fun. It's good. It's fudge. Haha, you want to trick me? Exactly. Shut up. There is a police car behind me. No! Why does she wants to eat me? Shit. Okay, this is it for today. If I hope you enjoy it. If you enjoy it, leave a thumbs up. Smash the subscribe button. Tell me what you want me to play. And peace.